Yeah, that's great. You need a shot at this, Ben, this third one? Second?
Keep it going.
Do you want to hear the third one again? Because you were busy,
Yeah,
right?
the third one is the father. Yeah, I wouldn't mind. That's not what this is about, but it would be fun to just like, you know.
I'm gonna run Father again because Ben was busy fixing my chart, so you guys don't have to play if you don't want, but give Ben a chance.
This one's actually more difficult because it's so slow.
You're talking about infinity, right?
No, I'm talking about Father.
This is Spike Rebel at the Deepak Chopra event in New York City. It's a 2-hour event where they're going to speak on spirituality and music and more. And I've been invited as a guest of one of the artists, Amaryllis Santiago, the Latin Phoenix. She's a guest panelist. She'll be in one of those chairs, being interviewed about music around the world. Who are you and the group?
We're all friends through NARIS, the Grammys.
Okay.
And I'm Elaine Romanelli, and Ben, and Pete, and Leo, and Chumbo. And we've come together just for this event to play live.
Are all of you all from New York?
We're all from New York, or we all play here anyway. And now we're going to do a little rehearsal of one of the pieces.
Okay. So I'm here early. You can call this the sound check, but